is up, y'all? It's Tanya from Squints Garage, and today I'm learning how to build. We've been a little slow with the cappuccino. We're currently waiting for parts to come over from Japan, so I thought this would be... It's something I've wanted to learn, and luckily I have an amazing brother and father. My brother got me all my welding supplies for my birthday last year, and my dad's going to teach me how to build today. Full transparency, I have zero knowledge of welding other than watching my brother weld and him going to college for it and watching my dad weld. My dad knows MIG, my brother knows TIG and stick and MIG. So this will be interesting. So I'm gonna go get some stuff on and then we're gonna head out to the shop and you're coming with me. So I'm excited. This will be a fun day. A little fit check. I got a large coat, but it's hot outside, so I'm not gonna put it fully on until we're out there. This is gonna be the setup for today. That's so fun. I'm just gonna try to do, like, I don't know.
Whatever.
I can do
it. You know, in your boots like that, man, it's really a bad idea.
Yeah, it comes out so fast.
I can turn it down.
No. It's on fire. Like that?
That sounds pretty good. You see, by turning the heat down,
Yeah.
see how the weld is taller, not flatter?
Yeah. Makes sense because it's not like melting it. Maybe turn the heat up a little. Because, like, it's weird seeing it like that because it doesn't melt, you know?
No matter how you weld, you can weld to how you can make it work how you weld just by adjusting.
Yeah, I was gonna say because everybody welds different.
Right.
They like say to start on one certain setting and then adjust from there, kind of thing.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, try that. I turned the heat up a little bit. And that one looks good.
Really?
Yeah. Well, here, look at this.
I'm all. I think they look like
See, look at your penetration.
Oh, gotcha.
See, these here are about right for this thickness of steel. You were puddling there,
Yeah.
where it almost went through. See how much metal's there?
Gotcha. So they don't have to look nice. They just have to.
Sometimes the worst looking welds are the strong.
Good to know. I don't know why I'm so scared to be like electrocuted.
Got me.
Actually,
Son of a bitch.
I'd be. Look at all scared of the day.
liking this? Yeah, it's really not. It's kind of. See how much nicer that is?
Yeah, because it's hotter, because it's thicker still, yeah, so it has to heat it more.
Yeah. You welded mostly this piece. You didn't get this piece, so you pointed more this
Straight
direction.
on instead of...
You need to be this direction.
Gotcha.
So go again.
Can't really see shit. Like I can, but I can't.
That looks good, T.
Really?
Yes.
I don't think it looks that good, but that's just me. All of these were mine. I don't know, man. Personally, I don't think they're that good. But I'm learning, that's all that matters. Turn it down and then... It's an itty bitty bead.
Well, you got a hole from here to here. See him? Yep.
You can't really see it, huh? Alexander, no.
That was good.
Look, it's not so pretty now.
much easier was that?
Hell yeah.
So that's where your settings
That looks a lot better.
really want to be. That's perfect.
Really? Yeah.
That's all.
But yeah, overall, I hope y'all enjoyed. I know I definitely did. I love to learn, so I'm very thankful and fortunate to have a dad who's willing to teach me and a brother who's willing to buy the supplies for my ideas. But so shout out to y'all, I appreciate you. I know we veered away from the cappuccino content. I do apologize, and I pinky promises we're getting back to it. I'm just still waiting on some parts from Japan, and I'm on the hunt for a couple parts actually, because the manufacturer does not make them anymore. Thank you, Suzuki. I appreciate you for that. But yeah, stay tuned. We got more cap content coming. We have enough at the point right now we can start disassembling the car, cleaning it up, getting it primed, and getting it painted. So that's gonna be what's next. As for like full completion, we're not quite there yet. I still have a laundry list of things to do and to get for this little car, but it's my love child, so I mean, what are you gonna do? But yeah, so stay tuned, and that'll be coming soon. I also got a truck, so might be seeing that in the near future too. I mean, maybe. But yeah, anyway, with that, I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.